ADA staking was here, and a lot of people took advantage of this particular ADA staking platform and made withdrawals of it. Now, I'm not going to be talking too much. I'm just going to show you the withdrawals made so far on this platform. But before that, all I want you to do is to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch right now. Okay, so this particular platform was actually launched a week ago and we have actually taken advantage of it. Now I'm bringing it again to you just for an opportunity for you to grab immediately. Guys, when you come over to my history and you come down to brokerage wallets, you can see that with just $6 on this particular platform, this was the investment income I got. As you can see, the investment income right on my account, so numerous. Okay, so right now you can actually see with just $6. Okay, so right now let me go over to the notification so you can see the withdrawal so far right on this platform. When you come down to notification, you can actually see that I withdrew on the 17th of June, I withdrew on the 16th of June, I withdrew on the 15th of June, I withdrew on the 13th of June, I withdrew on the 12th of June. As you can see right now, this is how my withdrawal keeps going because I'm going to be withdrawing live on this video. So withdrawals on this platform is 24 hours. Okay, so right now when you come over to my dashboard, you can actually see that the only investment right on this platform I made was just with 6 USDT, and this 6 USDT gives me a generated income every 24 hours. Now when you come down to the daily income, I will be getting a daily income of 1.20 USDT, as you can see right here. So every day I'm withdrawing 1.20 USDT and above. And so right now, before you can start doubting this particular platform, when you come down to earn, you can actually see that with just 6 USDT, I've been able to earn a total of 13.85 USDT on my account. Now this is a breakdown of when I started. I actually invested $6 for 30 days and I will be getting 20% of my daily income. Now in 24 hours, I'll be getting 1.20 USDT as earlier said. Now in 30 days, I'll be getting 36 USDT just with 6 USDT. Now when you come right here, you can actually see the total breakdown of when I started and when this package is going to elapse. Now if you want to start with this platform, once you click the first link on the pinned comment section, you just need to come over to this particular interface where it says recharge. Now once you click on recharge, you'll be brought to an interface where you have to recharge your account. Okay, now to recharge your account, all you just have to do is to select any of these recharge wallets right here, copy the wallet address, then transfer the exact fund you want to use to fund your account. Now once that fund has reflected, the next thing you want to do is to come down to this particular interface that says please enter the pledge amount. You can go ahead to invest the $6 just like the way you're seeing mine. You can go ahead to invest $10, you can invest $20 as the case may be. Now come right here and put in the number of days you want to keep getting your rebate income. Now under here, you're going to be seeing the breakdown of what you'll be getting, your percentage, the daily hours you'll be getting, the income, and the total of income you'll be getting for 30 days. Also, when you come down to active contract, you're going to be seeing the total breakdown of when you started, the number of days, your percent, and when it's going to end. So once you have actually put in all these details right here, the next thing you want to do is to come down and click on staking. Then automatically you start staking on this platform and you come every 24 hours to place withdrawal on your account. Now to place withdrawal on my account, all I just have to do is to come down to where it says withdraw, and I'm going to be withdrawing 1.2. As I said, every day I come right on this platform to withdraw 1.20 USDT. So I'm going to be using my bet 20 USDT. The reason why I have my wallet address on this particular platform is because I've already linked my wallet address to this platform. So what I just need to do is to come down to all, as you can see 1.2 USDT, and I'm going to put in my password. As you can see, the one reminder, use bet 20 USDT address to withdraw. The platform minimum withdrawal is 1 USD. Very interesting. Just 1 USD you can place withdrawal. Above, you can also place withdrawal. As you can go through all this to understand the withdrawal process. So I'm going to click on confirm. So I'm going to show you the withdrawal proof from this platform. As you can see, withdrawal success. So very easy. In less than some seconds, you'll be getting this credited into your Bybit account. And so quickly, when I went to my Bybit account, I recently saw 1.2 USD pending. So we actually have to wait for the process to be credited into my Bybit account. Right here guys, it has completed the funding process. Here we have it. The 1.2 USD has reflected successfully on my Bybit account. So this does not take up to seconds. You get it directly into your preferred wallet address after placing withdrawals. So I can guarantee you the longevity of this particular platform. So all you have to do right now is take advantage of it while it's still running. Okay, and so thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got value from it, and if you did, please do well to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can always notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. It is advisable you join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group, where I run giveaways and also show you some specific ways you can use to boost your online earnings in today's world. See you on my next video and keep winning.